Infrared saunas have been around for some time, but in the last 10 years, they have exploded in popularity. In this video, we will be reviewing this Dynamic Sauna's affordable infrared sauna that you can get on Amazon. That's right, this is an affordable, easy to assemble, easy to purchase sauna that you can have delivered right to your door. And in this video, we go into all of those details. On this channel, I only review my favorite purchases, and I can tell you that this is definitely one of them. I loved it so much that I bought another one for my parents. I love the idea of having my own sauna, but I would have never invested into a traditional one because of how expensive they are to build. This sauna came up in my recommendations on Amazon, so I did a bunch of research on it, read a lot of reviews, and decided to get one. And I am so happy that I did. It's not a small purchase, but if you compare it to the $6,000 to $12,000 that it usually costs to build a traditional sauna, this one is definitely a bargain. If you haven't heard about infrared saunas, they are better than traditional ones in almost every way. The only real advantage to traditional saunas is that they heat up to a higher temperature than infrared saunas can. But I will explain soon why that is offset with the other benefits of infrared. Infrared saunas are much less expensive, can be purchased as an easy-to-assemble kit, they heat up quicker while using less power, don't heat the air like traditional saunas do, so they don't feel suffocating, are more compact in size, don't require 240-volt power, which is less common in most homes, require no maintenance, and make you sweat much more efficiently than traditional saunas do, so you don't have to have as much heat to accomplish the same result. Now, let's get into the review of this particular sauna. There are a bunch of great things about it, and I will talk about all of them in no particular order. I love that this sauna comes as a modular kit. It was designed to be easily assembled by one person. What's even better is that you can disassemble it if you want to move it to another room or place it in storage. I was able to move the sauna from my garage into my office by myself in less than half an hour. Unlike traditional saunas, this one does not create steam for heat, so you don't have to worry about moisture and mold problems that traditional saunas pose. That allows you to put this sauna in any room of your house without having to worry about moisture or power requirements. This sauna makes me feel amazing every time. Like I said before, infrared saunas make you sweat much more while using much less heat. I love to use it after a workout or a long hike, which is great for both relaxation and recovery. Even if I use the sauna without doing any kind of workout, I feel refreshed and so relaxed every time. For the price you pay, I feel like this sauna is an excellent value. The materials and finishes are high quality and well built. There is a convenient timer function, so you can set the sauna to heat up and turn off automatically. There is also an internal reading light and Bluetooth speaker. By the way, if you like to read in the sauna, infrared is the way to go, because there isn't nearly as much moisture in the air to damage your book or e-reader. This particular sauna is pretty compact, but it still comfortably fits 2 people in it. I have a pretty small office, and it fits into it pretty well. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching to the end. It really means a lot. If you like and subscribe, that will encourage me to spend even more time making these videos about life-changing products. Thanks for your support, and see you in the next video.